Hey guys, I am back. It is like 7 in the morning and it's finally nice in New York, so I'm real hyped. And a bitch gotta do her makeup. Going with my Becca Cosmetics concealer. I haven't used this concealer in so long, but it really was like one of my favorites for a long time. I'm just being really cheap, but I'm gonna buy a new concealer. If you have oily skin, I don't know. I'm not sure if it'll be really the best for you, but if you have dry skin, then yeah, definitely works. So for this look, it's gonna be, like I said, it's gonna be really yellow. Okay. So I'm gonna go with my Riviera palette. Girl, this thing was $50, so I'm gonna use it. All right. You might see me use it in every tutorial. Who knows? Burnt yellow right here, and maybe this white, possibly this gold. But I also have a NYX pigment that's like a pearlized pigment that was like $2, and the yellow is insane. It's right here. The yellow's super bright. It's like so old, but it's like the best pigment that I have, and I have a lot. I have expensive pigments, and that one is like the top one. I'm gonna go to the other side because I see it's starting to crease. I don't use setting powder or anything on my eyeshadow because I don't know, I just don't. So I feel like if you put the shadow on early enough, that is a setting powder because it's dry. So girl, I like recording early in the morning because nobody's really up, and y'all don't have to hear the Mind Your Ratchet family in the background. Like, it's just the makeup, child. The tea is Couture Cosmetics is launching in May. I'm shooting for like the 1st of May, but who knows. But any business owner that knows, like really knows, you know, and does it by themselves, knows that like with products and stuff, it takes time to test things out, and you don't want to rush anything to the consumer. You want to make sure that it's what you would use, because I would never sell something that I wouldn't use. It just doesn't make any sense. So that's what's been taking so long. I started doing research and everything in like November, December, and it's now April, so that just gives you some sort of timeline and the planning phase. Sales, it could be with that same brush, it don't even matter. And I'm gonna go into my brow and highlight my brow right here. Keep in mind, if you're using the same brush, you're gonna have to use extra pigment because it's gonna have that camel color on it. But no worries. See, just like a subtle highlight. You see how it's like compared to this one to this one? You can see the difference. Yellow, you see how they're on it already? It's not a big deal, but I like to spray setting powder because I want this yellow to be freaking insane. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pop that right on my lid. Ooh, girl. Ooh, I forgot how pearlized it was, child. Cause I don't even need that gold. I was gonna put on gold, but this is better. Now I'm just blending it out at this point. It's pretty much done, the eye. I really like it though. It's like, you know, it's different. Okay, alright. I promise no glitter, but you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and with this color Inheritance from the Riviera palette. I'm just gonna put that right here. I'm not gonna OD, I'm not gonna like... See? It's just like a little pop. This compared to this. You see? It does make it, because that pigment wasn't metallic, it was pearlized. So while it does have reflective elements to it, metallic just always pops better to me. Alright guys, so I just wiped like the excess makeup off my eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. So I recommend looking down, right? So like have your mirror here, go like this, look at the mirror, right? Alright y'all, we're gonna go in with this Smashbox primer. Bitch, I got mad freaking... It's photo finish, so it just like blurs your skin, which is what I need. I mean, I don't have like problem skin, but when I get my eczema, child, oh my god, it's like flakes coming off my skin. It looks really bad, but whatever. Anastasia's foundation stick in caramel. LAGirl Pro Concealer in Natural. Y'all know I use this in every tutorial, so it's orange. It cancels out my dark eyes. I have really dark eyes, so. And I also use it for my mustache area, you know, because wherever there's hair, like it's a dark area, right? So that's where I put it. Then I have my MAC Pepper and Prime. It says this is medium plus, so that's the shade that I have. I got this so long ago, and honestly, I know makeup products expire, but this shit have been working lovely, okay? This shit has been working so good. And it was like $20, so I wasn't throwing this away. Go ahead and do your traditional highlight. Y'all already know about this. I have to do my little snatch right here. My Anastasia foundation stick is Expresso, and I'm contour, bitch. I'm contour. I'll probably be like, oh, why is she contouring like that? Well, let me tell. Because I'm going to be a whole new bitch. When this contour is blended out, you're going to see a whole new bitch. I ain't going to be the same girl. Or should I say woman? Maybe, I don't know. I ain't going to be the same. I ain't going to be the same. That's what I'm going to say. Some days I like using my blender, some days I like using my brushes. It really depends on the day. I'm a new person. Like, I'm a new person. Ooh, girl. Now I'm gonna go in with my MAC bronzer. Love this bronzer, by the way. I have also this Anastasia, it's a foundation stick, but it's made specifically for highlighting. So it's in the shade Banana, the same shade that's like in their palettes and stuff. And I just like to use that as like an extra oomph, you know, because sometimes when you blend in, it gets a little dark. You want to make sure that I'm not looking crazy, that's all. It's really for my eyes, because my eyes, like I said, are dark. So I like to make sure that they look really bright and airy. We gonna go here. We gonna use this Artist Couture highlighter. Bitch, this, if you don't have this highlighter, you gotta get it, girl, because this stuff is kind of fire. I ain't gonna hold you. Fan brush, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into it, and it has like a golden tint. So that's what I wanted. I didn't want anything. I'm about to put this Urban Decay setting spray. I know it's for matte. I know it's matte, right? But I mix my matte and dewy sprays. It's weird, I know, but I have to wear this face all day. It's like 10 hours, so I want to make sure it lasts. Setting spray version 1. And now time for the lips. Oh, and this is Makeup Forever's Aqua Lip Liner. I've had this shit, like I said, for like almost a year now. Cause this is like $20 in Sephora, child. PatMcGrath Lipgloss. Oh my god, her Lipgloss are bomb. Okay, they are expensive though. I mean, I guess it's because it's PatMcGrath, but that shit is expensive. And go ahead. This is with no lipstick, guys. This is just liner and the gloss. Okay. Because I don't want to OD. I like to rub it so the liner could blend with the gloss. You know, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Am I your woman crush Wednesday? Then I'm gonna go again with this spray. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think of the look in the comments. And be sure to 1, subscribe to my channel. And 2, be on the lookout for Couture Cosmetics launching in